Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to create a perfect circle in Inkscape. So there is one really simple way to do it. Normally I use the tool from the left panel. Here we have something like ellipse arc tool that will allow you to create circles, ellipses and arcs. So I click this one option, and after that we need to draw a circle, maybe something like that. Of course, you can always change horizontal and vertical radius of the circle. So for example, I will type here 50 and I press enter, and I will change vertical radius to 52. So I will type here 50 and I press enter. And like you see, our circle is ready to use now. But of course we can change this object fill and stroke. So I will go to this option. And on the fill, you can change the color of this object. So for example, I will change it to blue. So I will change the hue. I will change the saturation, maybe something like that. And then I click on lightness somewhere here. And like you see, our object color has been successfully changed here. And you can add the stroke if you need it, but you need to go to stroke style and type here value above 0, maybe something like 7, and I press enter from my keyboard. And we have here our stroke. You can change color of the stroke in stroke paint, but of course it depends on your preferences. And that's all. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and thanks you for watching.